Now I am starting my lab 7. So this lab is about this lab is about the first step of this lab. So this lab is about the performing active reconnaissance. So the first step of this the first step of the lab is to use PowerShell to perform an active reconnaissance of a Windows server using PowerShell. So I am clicking in the Windows OS, then I'm clicking the send control alt, then I am logging in as administrator by using the password, and when it opens I am clicking the start button and clicking the Windows PowerShell admin. I know PowerShell admin. And it is asking me to make change in the device. So now I can see the screen, and then I am typing the command so then after this step it is asking me to enter username, and I am typing administrator as username and ndg and mepass 123 slash as the password. And after this step I am typing the command do OS domain users select Sam CCOU the account name. Okay, so I think there's a mistake while typing the command. I think there's a mistake while typing the command. So I'm gonna do type again. I think there is something wrong with my lab. So I'm again entering in the lab. So I'm back in the lab again. So I think there is a typing mistake. So I think there is a typing mistake from my side. So again I am opening the PowerShell again, and I am again typing from the last command I was in. Git credential. So it is asking me to put the ID, username and password. And the password is GLABPSS123. So after this step I am gonna type the command again slowly. So I'm typing the command. Domain users, domain users, select SAM in the account name. So after this step I can see the list of SAM account name, and after that step I am again typing another command. Member credential create server WinOS domain admins. I think something is wrong with the lab, so I am typing again. I'm typing again. I think there is something wrong with the lab. Server not server Windows domain. Get ATG group member. I think there is something wrong with this lab. There's something wrong with this lab. I think there is something wrong with this lab. I think there is something wrong with this lab. I don't know what is wrong with this. Server WinOS. Domain admins. So I can see the output, which is correct now. So I can see my mistake. After that step, it is gonna filter the same account name. So let me do the step. Domain admins. Select Sam account name. So I can see the result for the same account name, and after that step I'm going to verify the domain itself, view the domain itself, and the command for that is get ATDOMAIN domain. So I can see the output of this command. After that I'm going to check whether the lab2 user account is correctly enabled or not. So for that I'm going to type filter SAMA account name EQ lab2 user so I can see the output for this command. Now with the help of next command I will try to retrieve more information about the administrator account by entering the command below, which I am typing right now. ADMINISTRATOR administrator. There is something wrong in my typing, so let me type that one more time. or administrator. Okay, so I can see the result. So there must have been some typing mistake. Now I'm going to view the lab account user group membership and confirm whether the account belongs to the domain group. So for that I am typing the command left. So I can see the output from this command which is being shown here currently. So after that I am typing cls and it will erase the whole thing, and I am leaving the PowerShell open and moving to my next task, which is going to be using PowerShell to perform an active reconnaissance of a window client. For this I am going back to the window PowerShell and I am typing the following command. System active or forest bracket get current forest, get current system. I think there is something wrong. Okay, I think I can see what is wrong over here. There is something wrong in my typing, so let me. Forest. So I'm going to request more time for the lab. So I think there is something wrong in my. I think there's something wrong in my typing. Okay, so I have typed the current command after a long time. Term directory, service, active directory. Directory. Domain. Get correct. System dot direct system dot directory services dot active directory dot domain slash git current domain. Oh. Okay, so after this command I can see the which domain the user is associated with, and after that step, and after that I will proceed with the Linux part. So I'm clicking on the Kali Linux and it will ask me to sign in. So I'm trying to log in into the Kali Linux. Okay, so there are some mistake, but now I am able to get into the Kali Linux and I am opening a new terminal. And I am typing nmap command, which is going to show me this, which is gonna show me the result which is in the screen right now. and after that I am typing a new command. Dot 16.1 dot dot asterisk. So with the help of this command, it is starting the nmap, and the result is in the screen. And now I am going to put the next command, which will initiate a ping scan while spoofing the source MAC address at same time, which is nmap sp spoof mac 0172 dot 16.1 dot stopy, and there is now the result is in the screen. And after that I am typing a new command, which has an ability to scan for which IP protocol are supported by host involved in scanning process. Which I am typing currently. So now it is starting the process and the result is in the screen. After that I'm clicking file, new terminal, and then I am typing a new command, which is nmap to the 168.0.192. 6. So it is starting the in-map process. So there's a thing to notice when the scan come back stating that the host seemed to be down and it is unable to scan it. So I'm trying another attempt to scan against the same system, but this time I'll be using no ping option, and the command for that is nmap to the 168.0.6. So with this process I am able to so it is taking some time to do the process. After 2-3 minutes notice there will be the states that the host is up, but the first 1000 ports are being filtered, most likely due to a firewall. So with this process so it's taking so the process is complete and I can see that all 1000 scan ports on 192.168.0.6 are filtered, and after that I am typing the command which can in which operating system scan against the pfSense system to help identify whether version of OS is running on it. So command for that is in the screen, and I am I think there is some mistake in my typing. Oh, okay. So nmap plus 0. Okay, I think I'm typing something wrong. One 168.0.1. So there was a typing mistake, but now I'm able to see the result. And after that, I am typing my another command, nmap slash 192.1. So I can see the result, and it will take 2-3 minutes to complete the process, which will show which will scan and show the states that the host is up for the first 1000 ports are being filtered. So it is still doing the scan. For now, just saying me there is 26 seconds remaining to finish the process. So all the scanning are complete, and after that I am going to do the same step, but this time will be against the Ubuntu SRN system. So for that I am typing nmap to 16.1.10, and then I can see the result in the screen. And after that then I can notice that mmap has a tough time to identify operating system as being told in the lab. And after that I'm trying to get more information about the same host regarding its operating system, and then nmap will make a guess as what the OS what is used by command below with the included script. So for that I'm typing the command, which is sudo sudo I think I typed the wrong command. I think the lab is not working, but let me try one more time. So I think the lab is functioning now. So I'm going back to Kali. And then I am typing I'm typing the command again. I think I'm typing too fast, so I need to slow down. I think I did some mistake here. So let me fix my Canguesk. There is something wrong with the typing here. I need to slow down and type again. I don't know what is going on in this lab. I don't know what is going on in this lab. I'm just trying to type correctly, but it's not working. Let me slow down and type again. So I'm trying to type again. So let me type. Two dot 16 dot 1 dot 10. So after I type that, you can see the result in the screen. And after this step, I will initiate a scan especially for port 80, this time for all the hosts on both network with internet and DMZ, and command for that is nmap nmap slash p 80 192.168.0.0/24. There's something wrong with the lab, and the lab is not working. So let me go to the Kali Linux again. And complete my final 3 steps. And after this step, and after this step I can see it is scanning the scan for port 80. Oh, I did a mistake in the typing again. So, so there is a mistake in the typing. So now the process is complete. So now the process is complete, but I made some mistake. So to do that one more time. So this time I am typing slowly. I'm typing slowly. Zero slash 24 172 dot 16 dot 1 dot 0 slash 28. So the nmap has been done, and the second last step is to scan the Ubuntu SRV system while at the same time displaying all packet being sent and received while initiating the scan. So for that the command is nmap slash packet trace 172.16.1.0. So it has been complete. So for the second last step I'm trying to so that nmap can also be used to show localhost data about which interfaces are up and which router tables look like. For this the command is nmap if list. So the result is in the screen currently. And for the last step, to detect remote service, both services and daemons along with the replay version, I'm going to initiate the nmap command below, which is nmap sv dot 16 dot 1 dot 10. So this is my final step of the lab. This is the final step of my lab, and my lab is completed. So I am ending the reservation. Thank you.